We'll take a little practice using 2 rods, guys. I want to take a little practice with 2. Gotta get used to that. That's crappie down there, boy. I wasn't sure what it was. I said, I'm gonna stop and fish this. That big old crappie. Camera up, show y'all the screen. That rascal's lighting up. I'm telling you, boys, I should be catching these things. They're barely biting it. Barely biting it. Barely biting it. Come on, baby. Come to Papa. I'm telling you, boys, I should be catching these things. They're barely biting it. I was trying to call Doug over here. Big girl's coming over. Look at that right there. Woohoo! Come on, baby. Oh, he whacked it. Fish on the screen, fish on the screen. I'm trying to get to the front of the boat, switching rods around. Oh my God, there's some big girls here. Oh, I better call Jason, tell him to get his butt over here. This big girl. Oh, don't get the net out. We don't need no net. Woo! Good God, that's a tanker ranker. That rascal's all over it. Yeah, they ain't on the bottom here. These big girls are swimming up mid-column. God, that rascal boy, he's mad at me. Man, what's wrong with these fish? Got the wrong color on? That boats keep coming by. This spoon might get hit just from the boat. Look at all the, yeah, look at all them fish. I can't believe it. Whack. You gotta be kidding me. I know y'all probably can't see that. Man, my spoon's all over them fish. Look at that wad of fish coming through. I'm all in them.
Because it happened to me yesterday.
There he went. God,
I'm not talking about spending a lot or spending.
Man, they're all over the screen.
But give someone an unexpected gift. Someone who is not expecting anything. If they get a little something from you, wow. Jesus. I mean,
rascals.
Wow. Guess who gave me a gift yesterday? My nail tech.
You're gonna start biting good here in a minute, boys. You gotta be patience, Daniel, son. Patience. Patience, Daniel, son. Patience, Daniel, son. Big girl, big girl. Look at that water fish. I know y'all can see that.
Anyhow, so
I know y'all gotta be able to see that.
It's a very personal thing. I love her. I only go to her. If I am free on
y'all gotta be able to see that.
Get a manicure. Coming up tomorrow, the Today Idea, perfect for white elephant gift exchanges. And Pat, people, please help. How do you keep cats out of Christmas trees? Everything.
I should have caught at least 10 fish by now, guys. That screen keeps lighting up, and I can't get these fish around. The ones that bite, I ain't getting hooked. It's a water fish. Y'all probably can't see it. Just telling you, keep coming through. Just getting a pump here and there. Having them on, but they're coming on the way. Alright, try a different color, guys. Try a different color. Different color. You don't want this color. Thought these fish were colorblind. What's the matter with these fish? Come on now. There he is. I don't like that seat there. It's in my damn way. Move that seat. I would sit down, but you know me, guys. I'm a stander-upper. Look at all them fish on the bottom, and they ain't hitting my spoon. I know y'all can't see it. I gotta get my other camera. Damn. Ah. No, I said he's caught the whole lake. He caught the bottom. I said he caught the whole lake. No, come on, Doug. Huh? Probably 10 or 12. You want them? If you want them, get them before you go north. 'Cause I ain't going north. If you don't take them, I'm giving them the rooster tail. She's having a ball over there, isn't she? Captain Doug over there. That young girl on the boat, she's having a ball. Catching some nice fish. Nice, nice. Ooh, good fish on the screen, fish on the screen. Come on, time to catch one. About how it's done, boys and girls. Screen lights up, rod bends over. Calm down, young man. Don't put you in there with all your friends. Fish on the screen, fish on the screen. Fish on the line, fish on the line. Y'all. Got a little fun. I'll get the other camera, show y'all the catch. I think I got about 15 in there, 14 or 15. Get him, Hook, get him! Duncan over there, you got a crew on the boat, they catching fish over there. Caught it with it sitting in the rod holder. Lazy fisherman, I tell you, he's a lazy fisherman. He catches them just putting the rod in the rod holder. Not even using live bait. Dead stick in the spoon. All right, one more fish and we going to the poorhouse. Man, can't catch last fish. Make sure I still got a hook on there. Yeah, I still got a hook. Hey, if it's really cold out here, I'll be all bundled up. Normally I won't be out here. Normally I'll be making money if I'm out here bundled up like that. Hey, these next few days coming up gonna be cold. It's supposed to turn cold. I don't know. I can't remember, Doug. I just looked at the forecast. I said, that's why I'm out here today. I said, I probably won't be able to go fishing the rest of the week. It'll be cold and they got rain coming in this afternoon. I can't catch last fish. I guess I'm gonna have to end this video. The battery gonna go dead on my damn camera trying to catch last fish. All right, we'll give it 2 more minutes. If I can't catch a fish in 2 minutes, we heading to the poorhouse. All right, that's it. I'm done. All right, guys. Oh, I get the other camera, show you the catch. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Oh, look at that. For coverage you need at a price you can afford. Call Tina Gregory at 706. Scale on the hook. Probably a shad, or it could have hit the side of a white bass. All right, let me get the other camera. All right, guys, there we go. I think there's about 15 in there. We're giving them over here to Duncan and his crew. They're gonna have a big fish fry. Am I invited to the fish fry?
Absolutely.
Y'all know how to fry fish?
Nope.
He's got a fish fryer for sale. You gonna sell it or you gonna give it to your brother?
Probably neither.
Neither?
Probably be stingy and keep it.
All right. All right, guys.